So here we are. We got a 3-car garage. House was painted not that long ago. These owners take very good care and pride in their landscaping and in their yard. You'll see that as we go through. Nice little entryway that takes us into the living room. Real comfortable living room. Got a gas fireplace. That takes us into the formal dining. Got a great size formal dining room here. And we move into the kitchen. Open concept kitchen. Got another little small eating area nook off this kitchen that overlooks the back patio. Plenty of storage here. And then this would be another little family room over here. Has another little nook overlooking the back deck. It's beautiful out there. Okay. And then over here by the garage, we have a half bath, which I'll show you. Decent little half bathroom. And we also have our indoor laundry room with extra storage. It's good size. At the end of this hallway, we have the 3-car garage, and it's kind of separated as a 2-car garage with a separate shop over here. Lots of space here in these garages. You can see we're all packed up and getting stuff boxed up. Kitchen. Okay, going upstairs, they finished an extra bonus room, which is really nice. It's one of my favorite rooms of the house. It's the current owner's office slash study, and it just turned out fantastic. It's a big bonus room. This bonus room also has extra storage that they finished off. Let's see. So going back in here, the floors are finished, but you got wall-to-wall decking down to where you have this nice use of storage for Christmas decorations and whatever else you might want to not carry back and forth. Here's one of the bedrooms. Here's another bedroom. Good sized rooms. Here's the guest bathroom. And moving into the master. Good sized master bedroom. Does have a walk-in closet. Master bathroom. All right, I want to also show you guys this backyard. There's a lot of extras here. You know, the bonus room, we got an extra, multiple extra sheds back there. One for gardening, one for storage. There's also a greenhouse. We have a fire pit seating area. We have RV parking. They have a separate gate off the side of the property to pull in an RV. It's kind of endless back here. Nice, beautiful deck to sit on. Again, the landscaping is just fantastic. Big, huge deck with pergolas. Over here is like what I call the garden shed. And they built a nice covered patio here to sit on. Painted it to match the house. Just kind of a great place to keep all your gardening equipment, fertilizer, etc. Nice comfortable place to have a fire and make some s'mores. Here's our other shed. You can see this shed is decent size. I mean, you could store stuff in here for days. And then the landscaping, I mean, they've just done a great job of landscaping. We got blueberry bushes back here. Here's the RV pad. They currently have a boat sitting on it, but a separate gate so you can pull right in off the road and tuck your RV back here. There's also power. And then here's the blueberry bushes. And again, I mean, there's no deferred maintenance. They've done a great job doing the upkeep on this property. This house is tucked away in Millersburg, highly desired area. And across the street, there's no houses. There's a big open field, so you're gonna have less neighbors on this property than the surrounding areas. This property is listed at $399,900. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. If you have